Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you easy chickpea curry. Ingredients: 1 chopped onion, finely chopped, and 1 tomato, and big handful of cilantro, and 1 green chilli, coconut, grated coconut. You can take frozen coconut. It is optional. Oil, 3 to 4 spoons. 1 spoon chili powder, 1 spoon salt, 1 spoon ginger garlic, 1 spoon coriander powder, and pinch of turmeric. 1 cup garbanzo chickpeas soaked overnight and boiled till it softens. I've put on the 6 or medium heat for at least 40 minutes. You can even take the plain one. Let's start the recipe. Heat the pan, add 4 spoons oil, add all the spices, mix well, onion, tomato and green chilli, mix them well. I've mixed it well and heated for a couple of minutes. I'm adding coconut. Mix them well. Little bit oil is needed. Mix it well. Cover with lid. Stay for 2 minutes. Then add it to the boiled chickpeas. It's cooked well. I'm adding this mixture to the boiled chana. Mix the chickpea well. When it comes to boil, mash little bit. Cook it until the oil shows. And now I'm simmering and garnishing with coriander. Serve into bowl. Top it with cilantro. It can be served with chapati or flatbread, or even with the rice, puri, or you can eat it with samosa too. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, share with your friends. Until bye.